There are two different types of call to action blocks, purple and gold. In this video, we'll be building a purple call to action block. To learn the difference between purple and gold call to action blocks and the rules that go along with them, make sure you've already watched the Intro to Call to Action Blocks video. Return to this video once you have. Let's build a purple call to action block. On your section page within Episerver, navigate to the main content area. Then click Create New Block. Choose Section CTA block from the list and name your block. The default color of the block is purple, so make sure the gold layout box is not checked. This will make sure that our CTA block is purple. When you're ready, click Create in the top right corner of the screen. Adding links to a purple call to action block is easy, since they are made up of just a link. We'll simply use link blocks. And remember, purple call to action blocks should always include 4 links. Let's add the links. First, locate your call to action block on your section page and click Edit. Within your call to action block, click Create New Block and choose Link Block. Name your block enter the name of your link and choose your URL. Leave the link button style as none and leave the link target as current window. Quick tip: best practice for naming links is to use descriptive text instead of generic terms like click here or learn more. If you're unsure what to name a link, use the page title of the page you are linking to. This will help with both ADA compliance and search engine optimization. When you're done, click Create in the top right corner of the screen. Repeat the same steps for your remaining links. Remember, use link blocks when building. Once you've added all your links, use the on-page editing screen to preview your page. If you're happy with the way your purple call to action block looks, you're all done.